Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw a pear. A pear is a tasty fruit that is soft, juicy inside. Pear come in a different colors like green, yellow and even red. They are sweet to eat, are perfect for healthy snacks. Pears grow on trees and when they are ready to eat, they feel soft and smell sweet. Pears are fun to eat because you can hold them in your hand and take bites, just like apple. They have a lot of vitamins. They are good for your body, help you grow strong and stay healthy. So next time you see a pear, try it and enjoy the delicious taste. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.